getting somewhere. Step on home soon. Bring me back to you.